When we think about the types of people who build apps, we think about Larry Page and Sergey Brin, who built Google in their garage by writing code. And we think about Mark Zuckerberg, who built Facebook in his college dorm room by writing code. But what do you do if you have an idea for an app or a technology business, but you don't know how to write code? Or maybe you didn't have access to computer science classes in high school or in college. At Apps Without Code, we've built an online platform which teaches entrepreneurs how to build their own apps and technology businesses without them having to know how to write any code. In just 2 years, we've trained over 20,000 Black and Latino entrepreneurs to build their own apps and businesses around them.
Our app is called Groove Coders, and what it does for students is it helps them to record and create their first songs.
My name is Brittany Gerald, and I'm the founder of Mobidocs Health Technologies, and our company makes it easy for pharmaceutical companies to capture and report safety data of their medicines to the FDA.
SafePlay helps organizations find athletic trainers and medical coverage for their events. Without technology, I'd really be limited to helping the people within my neighborhood. But now that I have technology as a tool, I can honestly help people across the country.
So on one hand, we teach people how to build technology. And on the other hand, we use technology to do the teaching. We've built an amazing online platform which teaches entrepreneurs, gives them access to live video lessons, and gamifies the entire experience. The entrepreneurs that we train are creating generational wealth for themselves and their families.
Being able to leverage technology, as taught to me in the Apps Without Code Bootcamp, has allowed me to really do things myself and take control of my product.
In less than 3 years, we've grossed over $300,000.
Within the first 6 months, we made over $3,000. I was pretty amazed.
The online platform is the thing that gives us scale. It is the reason why, although our company is based in Detroit, Michigan, we've already trained 20,000 entrepreneurs in 14 different countries. At Apps Without Code, we have a vision that everyone should have access to tech entrepreneurship regardless of their background, because everyone deserves a shot in the digital economy.
My name is Ashley Williams, and I'm a tech entrepreneur.
My name is Brittany Gerald, and I'm a tech entrepreneur.
My name is Joshua Head, and I'm a tech entrepreneur.
My name is Tara Reed, and I'm a tech entrepreneur.